Today's product spotlight is on the Tesla UK expansion vessel service valve. This is a fantastic little product that's going to save time and money when servicing or replacing an expansion vessel. If one of these is fitted, simply depress the button on the handle, close the vessel off from the system. That's isolated, which means you can then drain the contents down with the thumb turn here, take the vessel off for recharging, replacing, whatever you need to do. Once the vessel's back on, simply open the valve back up, use the sealing wire to push through the little hole on the button there in the handle, and that will stop any inadvertent closing. This means you haven't had to drain that system down, you haven't had to introduce new chemicals back into the system when filling up, saving a lot of time and money. This is another item that we're now putting in fully recyclable packaging, also getting away from plastic wherever possible. If you would like any more information on this product or would like to become a stockist, please get in touch. Thank you for watching.